Hello, it's Denise Mai, and in this video I'm going to be giving you all a tour of my home, and I am just so excited to be doing this video because we are finally settled in. It's been about 2 months, but this is our dream home and I can't believe we are finally here. It's just, look at this view. This is the reason why we moved here. This view is just so incredibly breathtaking. Every time I look at it, I'm just so grateful that we are up here. And right now it's almost the golden hour. So we're here, that's Brentwood. This is Burnaby. We are in the neighborhood of Capitol Hill. That view is west facing, so we get incredible sunsets. We are facing downtown, so you get like the mountains, the water. We have everything here, and I'm just so excited to be giving you a tour. So here is my living room. I absolutely love this couch. I completely fell in love with it because I've been looking for such a deep couch where the two of us can fit in. And that painting is a painting right now, but it's normally a TV. So we have so much different art to choose from. So that's why we loved it. I just love the plants. That's our birds of paradise. I forgot which that one's called, but just love the centerpiece right here. And as you can see, the sun is just about to set. And this is the multi-million-dollar view we paid for. But so incredibly worth it. I can't wait to show you the deck downstairs. But this deck up here is kind of why we were like completely sold even in the first place. Here is our dining room and our kitchen. So that's the living room for you. And you saw the bathroom. And now I am gonna move into the backyard. Look at our private sanctuary. That is a fig tree right there. 40 pounds of figs every year. And this is just, we have a little dining room table. Super messy right now. We normally have we have our little barbecue. And that's our garage. We are planning to build a laneway house back there as well, to generate some income, in-law suite, whatever the case. But now I'm gonna show you downstairs. Let's go. All right, so downstairs, let me show you the front deck. Look at this. Is this not amazing or what? We're completely sold on this outdoor space. This deck is probably larger than a lot of people's condos here in Vancouver, but it's absolutely gorgeous and just love the neighborhood. We are in Capitol Hill in Burnaby. Let me show you the rest of the house. Let's go inside. Sorry again for the mess. My boyfriend's doing a draft pick right now, but here's the downstairs. This is the other bedroom. This is his little humble abode. Absolutely, it's a little bit messy, his area.
You know, only thing with Tyreek is...
So that was just a little quick tour of my humble abode. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Yeah, this is just for you, Jackie. Peace.